Hello, everybody, and welcome to the latest episode of Vincent Vision. Watcha! Today, we are doing something pretty special and something I am very excited for. We are taking a staycation! Woo! I'm here with Ellison, and we are staying at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort for 2 nights. We're gonna have some fun. We're gonna go to Hollywood Studios, and what's really cool about this is actually the first time that both of us are staying at a Disney hotel. Like, I've never stayed on site before. Well, I did once, like when I was like really young, but like this is the first time staying as an adult and someone who can enjoy it. So we're excited to show you guys our 2 nights here, our 3 days here. We're gonna check out the pool, check out the resort, have some fun at Hollywood Studios. Let's get this show on the road.
Let's go.
So we're having a little bit of a late check-in. It's about 8 o'clock now. We were supposed to check in at the same time, but Ellison decided to check in a little bit earlier than me to check out the room. She had a free day and I didn't. We picked the Caribbean Beach Resort because, well, we really wanted to go to Hollywood Studios, and we wanted a hotel that was close to the Skyliner, that was close to the park, so we could get there nice and early, hop on the Skyliner, which, I don't know if you can see it. You can't see it, it's all the way over there. Hop on, go to Hollywood Studios, come back in the day if we're tired or we need to take a nap or something like that. And also, we're not made of money. We're not staying at the Riviera or the Boardwalk or the Yacht and Beach Club. That'll come later. We want to try out the Caribbean Beach Resort and show you guys what it's like. And I think this is our room here. All right, let's do this thing. Oh, it's push. No. All right. All right. This is we got a king. Rise of the Resistance, virtual queue information. All right. This is nice. Did you put this here? Okay, this is all your stuff here already. Yeah, you really got all prepared. All right. This is a nice room. We got the king bed because, well, we like each other. We want to sleep in the same bed. This is really big. I'm sorry, but there's only one way for me to be able to test this bed. Bed comfiness check. It's good. Bathtub's pretty big. We got the Disney Hotel bath, shampoo, body wash. This will go for a lot of money on eBay. Am I supposed to keep it in the bag? Should we go to the lobby, get some food?
Yes.
Let's do it. This is actually my first time using a Magic Band for a hotel stay. I never really use it. I just keep my annual pass in my wallet and use that. So it's kind of interesting to have a Magic Band, like, for the hotel. All right, we made it to the lobby, and we're looking for Centertown Market. It smells really nice in here. It smells very nice in this lobby. It smells like pineapples. They got advertisements for this place called Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. That looks so cool. We have got to go there. You can have this coconut sent to someone. How fun. Lots and lots of different things you can get, but I am actually in the mood for some Mickey licorice. I'm bringing this back to the room. I got some Skyliner merchandise. I've actually got a lot of Skyliner merchandise. It makes sense considering it is a Skyliner hotel. It's funny because I'm here and I'm like buying my little Twizzlers here, and I'm thinking like, it hasn't really hit me yet that I'm like staying on site at Disney World. I'm so used to just like waking up early and driving to the parks. I haven't really like realized yet that my car is parked and I don't need to do anything. I just gotta hop on the Skyliner, go to Hollywood Studios tomorrow and have fun. I shall bring the pizza home because it is the gentlemanly thing to do, and Vincent is a gentleman. Let's go, Ellison. Pizza time! Hotel pizza. Cheers to the start of our staycation. We checked in a little late, so we have got to get up bright and early for tomorrow because we're gonna head to Hollywood Studios and ride Rise of the Resistance. So we will see you guys. Yes, fingers crossed. We will see you guys tomorrow. Oh, we had a nice early morning. We woke up, it's about 8:30 now, and we are getting ready to head to Hollywood Studios. We're crossing the road right now to get over to the Skyliner station, which is right over there. I can see the one that takes us to Hollywood Studios. We're actually like really close. We did get lucky with how
Yeah.
close we are. We will see you in a little bit, Caribbean Beach. And look at the Riviera, so massive. We found all the people waiting to get on the Skyliner to Hollywood Studios. Or maybe Epcot. I hope they're not trying to go to Epcot because Epcot opens at 11. They only will let you on the Skyliner an hour before. So since Hollywood Studios opens at 10, they're gonna let us on at 9 a.m., which is close enough. We're gonna just get in line so we're one of the first people there. They're letting us in. We're gonna see how long it takes. Can you hit the start on the timer here? All right, we got the timer. Let's see how long it takes to get to Hollywood Studios from the Skyliner. Ooh, look. Our chariot is here. Yeah, it goes fast. It like kind of rips up there, but hey. And here we are. We're in the sky.
Few minutes. We will be arriving.
It's leaking water.
Stories.
This is really what I wanted to see from the Skyliner, is this line of cars waiting to get into Hollywood Studios. That used to be me. Now I'm living large on the Skyliner. Oh my gosh. All right, we made it to Hollywood Studios. We are now waiting for temperature check to open up. All in all, it took us about, show me, 18 minutes. This is where we're gonna try and get our boarding group today in the empty exit room of the vacation short that they show about Mickey and Minnie. The doors are open, it's AC, and we got Potato Land over here. Hopefully in this quiet spot, we can get a good boarding group for Rise of the Resistance. Fingers crossed. Woo, baby! Haha! We got boarding group 9, and you're in it too. I got it. Oh, thank you, Potato Land. I have been looking forward to this all day. Oh my God. I haven't done a full day in the parks in a very, very long time, but it was awesome. Ellison, did you have fun?
It was a great day.
It was a great day. And what made it better was the fact that we knew we were staying at Caribbean Beach. So all we had to do was walk to the Skyliner, hop on, and our hotel room is literally like 2 minutes away from the Skyliner. It is awesome. And, you know, we come here all the time, so it was such a relief to, like, not have to get in your car and drive back home and walk the dog. Sorry, Kent. But, gosh. Now that we're here, we're back in the room. We'll explore tomorrow. We'll explore the hotel tomorrow. I'm going to do something that I've been thinking about all day. Why do you like that?
Because it's comfortable.
I'm going to take a shower.
Oh yeah, you know what time it is. It's time for a Vincent Hotel Shower Review.
Hello there, ladies and germs, and welcome to the VincentVision Hotel Shower Review. I found the shower here at the Caribbean Beach. Stop! I'm trying to do my sexy voice. I found the shower here at the Caribbean Beach Resort to be just okay. The water pressure wasn't that great.
The water was hot enough. Best thing about it are those Disney bath washes. That body wash, the sea salt body wash. Mwah. Typical hotel shower though.
So something I will give points to is the AC system is very good. It's very responsive. Like I turned it on and immediately the fan turned on, and it does a pretty good job for anyone who's interested in AC. And something they do on the TVs here at the hotel, which we didn't get to see last night because we got here a little bit late, but they actually show Happily Ever After. So I'm gonna go find that on the TV and show you guys so we can see some fireworks tonight. Happily Ever After. Look at all the people in the crowd. Plus, this is really good vlogging, folks. I'm filming a TV screen showing you fireworks that are on the TV. Only here, folks. Oh, it does it again. It's on loop. It's just on loop.
It understands that we missed it.
That's awesome. No one knows. Turning off the lights for one last time. One last time.
That's depressing.
I know.
Oh, I should put a mask on.
Yeah, put a mask on before you leave the room. Goodbye, 3352. You've been very good to us. Aruba, Jamaica, ooh, I wanna take you to Barbados, Trinidad, or Disney Skyliner. So me and Ellison were only staying at the Caribbean Beach Resort for 2 nights. This is our checkout day. We are getting out of here. We got all our bags in the car. Got my camera bag with me here. We're actually gonna use our checkout day, the day we're supposed to be leaving, to actually check out the resort. We're gonna have some breakfast at the Centertown Market. Sebastian's Bistro is not open, which is a shame because I've heard really, really good things about this and I have been wanting to eat here, but we'll just have to come back here another time. I'm excited to actually see this place during the day. It's beautiful, it's colorful. I'm excited to get into the pool. So let's get some food, dude. Yeah, this looks so much nicer. It's so much more fun during the day versus nighttime when we came here. You smell it, right? It smells so good in here. Yeah, I was like, can you get it open? All right, and then I have got over here, trying to do this with one hand. We just got some good old Mickey waffles with bacon, lots and lots of bacon. Oh my gosh. I'm sure they probably have their reasons, but I kind of wish it was on a little plate or something like that. Make it look a little more presentational. We had this and the pizza and the boxes and stuff like that, but we're just happy to have Mickey waffles. Now it is time for the moment that I've been waiting for the most. It's time to enjoy the pool. Cool thing about the pools here is once you're inside the pool zone, they close the gate and they say, all right, you're in the pool zone. You can take your masks off here. All the chairs are socially distanced, and when you're done with the chair, you pull it all the way up, and that's how they know it's done, so they can sanitize it for the next group of people. This is the Caribbean Beach Resort pool. It's pretty moderately big. I'm excited for that water slide over there, and they got a little smaller one over here, but most importantly, I'm just excited to get into the water. Thank you. We had 2 awesome nights here at Caribbean Beach Resort. We had a great day at Hollywood Studios. We had some fun at the pool. All we've really got to do now here is get a drink at the Banana Cabana. We're gonna grab a drink, sit down, and get ready to get on out of here. There's a
Giant wasp behind your camera.
Let's get out of here. This is the Jamaican frozen runner. It's got rum, Bailey's Irish cream, pineapple juice, cream, of coconut and cream de banana. This is the Banana Cabana. Wow, this is the Banana Cabana after all. And I got the Banana Cabana. It's the name of the restaurant. Rum, cream de banana, orange juice, pineapple juice, grenadine. Perfectly refreshing for a perfect day with you. That's good. Try this. Let's try. We're trying the Jamaican frozen runner. That one's good too. Oh my god. You know what? Can I get the second round?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Because I like this. This is good. This is good. And with that being said, we leave the Caribbean Beach Resort. Wow, I totally forgot how to say goodbye in Spanish. Buen día. Buenos días.
Adios.
Adios. May the island breeze bring us here again. So what did we think about Caribbean Beach Resort? We had a great time. We were here for 2 nights. We had an awesome staycation. My favorite thing about this hotel was just how convenient it was to be able to stay right next to the Skyliner. And because we were going to Hollywood Studios, just hop right on, be in and out, and then like at the end of the day at Hollywood Studios, coming back and just getting on the Skyliner was amazing. So like that to me gets tons and tons of points. The room itself was fine. You know, it was just like a normal room, what you'd expect at a moderate resort. The bed was comfy, the shower was, you know, it was shower and stuff like that. But you said it best, where, you know, you kind of pay these prices for these rooms for the convenience, and like that was really like the most impressive thing about it. And if we had a day at Epcot, we were right by the main Skyliner station, so we would just take the Skyliner to Epcot. So like I'm really impressed with the Skyliner hotels, especially if you're going to Hollywood Studios and Epcot. And also Banana Cabana, like those drinks were really good. Like I got another Jamaican frozen runner because it was so good. The pool was nice. Like I said, it's a Disney hotel, so I shouldn't be shocked that there's a bunch of families and kids running around. And they do have private pools for each of the little areas, but we just wanted to see the big pool because, well, you know, it's the big pool and it looks cool on camera and it's got a fun little slide. But yeah, would we come here again?
I would.
I'd come here again. Yeah, why not? It was really fun. It was super easy, super chill, and it didn't seem like that busy, which is nice. And I'm curious to see how long things are going to stay like that here at Disney World and at the Disney hotels. But until then, that's all I got. So hey, thank you guys for watching Vincent Vision. Please be sure to like, subscribe, tell your friends, all that good stuff. Watch some more of my videos. I hope you enjoyed our little staycation. Thanks for coming along. Ellison, this is a great staycation. We should hang out more.
Do it again sometime.
Yeah, let's do it again sometime. You guys, and you guys can come along too. Thank you guys for watching, and bye-bye. Adios. Bye. Bye-bye.